This question is from RSTEP. So determine whether each of the following is a right angle triangle. If yes, identify the right angles. There are two parts, part A and part B. But part B, we do not have enough information, so let me just take part A as an example. So we can apply the converse of Pythagoras theorem to determine whether it is a right angles triangles or not. So let me consider the longest side. We consider the square is square. So BC square equal to 19 square, which is 361. And we also consider the sum of the squares of other two sides. So which is AB square plus AC square. So which equal to 18 square plus 6 square. 18 square, which is 324, plus 6 square, which is 36. So which equal to 360. So you can see that BC square not equal to AB square plus AC square. So you can say since AB square plus AC square not equal to BC square, therefore you can conclude that triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle. So therefore you cannot identify the right angle because this is not a right angle triangle. So that's it. Thank you.